Hello guys, it's Emil from Lancaster Automart. I hope you're all doing really well. We've got this 2019 Red Gloss Alfa Romeo Giulia. It's a 2.2 litre turbo super auto. It's got 41,976 miles and it's a diesel automatic. Absolutely gorgeous car. Definitely won't be around for too long. Don't see many of these around. It's got these 17-inch 10-spoke alloy wheels. Really good condition on all four alloys. I will post the alloys on the Auto Trader page so you can have a really good look. It's got the electronic adjustable door mirrors. There's the second alloy with the Alfa Romeo brake calipers, halogen headlights with automatic activation feature. There's the third alloy and the last alloy. Really gorgeous car. Got rear parking sensors, dual zone exhaust, forward collision warning as well, all different driving settings, safety settings. Inside the vehicle it's got the electronic adjustable windows, electronic adjustable door mirrors, open and close, storage compartment, carbon black leather upholstery and leather seats. It's got the Alfa Romeo logo just there. It's got the automatic activation headlights. Multifunction steering wheel, features such as voice control, Bluetooth hands-free cruise control with a speed limiter. It's got a stop and start button just there, automatic wipers. I'll just show you the mileage. So we've got 41,976 miles on the clock. Moving on to the center console, it's got a very high resolution, very clear center console. So it's got the radio, which includes DAB, FM and AM. There's media, which is Bluetooth integration, telephone preparation, there's sat-nav navigation, all different car settings. I'll just knock it into reverse as well, just so you can see the sensors. Rear parking sensors, working perfectly fine. All different driving assistances as well, which is just there. There you go. Moving down here, it's got the dual zone air conditioning, USB port. We've got two cup holders, automatic transmission, all different driving modes, DNA, menu selector, electronic parking brake, two lovely keys. It's got a auxiliary USB port and a 12-volt plug socket with a storage compartment. But overall, really gorgeous car. Moving to the back of the vehicle, it's got the electronic adjustable windows, storage compartment, ice-fix preparation seats, leather upholstery, storage pockets at either side, plenty of leg space. Really nice saloon. Really big boot as well. Little storage compartment there. Val's done a great job cleaning the vehicle, although the vehicle did come in a very good condition anyway. It's got the tyre inflation kit just there. There's a little storage compartment. Yeah, really well looked after car. Definitely won't be around for too long, that's for sure. If you do need any more further information on pictures of the vehicle or information about your own part exchange or financing the vehicle, just give us a call or send us a message. Cheers guys.